Hey guys, Boda here. So, Synergy Finance is a self-proclaimed direct lending company who offers unsecured loans to small businesses. For the past while, I've been trying to figure out the extent of their operation. So far, it's not looking good for being able to say without question that they are a scam. I've read many comments saying that, of course they are, it's an Indian call center, but that's just ignorant. Customer service is a huge legitimate industry in India, so never assume the worst based on an accent. Without any real evidence of fraud, you can't really call fraud, but I can give you a rating based on their lack of professionalism and lack of transparency. This first short clip, I bring up the default issue. What lender does not have a clause for defaulting? Either they don't want to stay in business or they don't plan on lending you anything anyways. Let's get into it.
Of the business?
Owner of what business? Yes, of course.
Sorry. Actually, my name is Rob, and I'm calling you from Synergy Finance. How are you doing today?
Synergy Finance.
Yes, sir.
Out of New York?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are calling you from Brooklyn, New York.
Yeah, I'm
You
sorry.
heard the
I've heard of you, yeah, and I heard that you're a big scam.
Mm-hmm.
I heard a friend of mine tried to take a loan out from you.
That's
but,
not true, sir.
Well, a friend of mine tried to take a loan out, and
Why don't you check our deals, which is completely free, and then you can decide whether you like it or not.
Check your what?
Actually, we're running some promotional offer at this moment, and we are offering capital, and we're not taking any mortgage and personal guarantee for that. It's a no cost and no obligations offer. So, may I know how long you have been running the business?
About 20 years. But if it's not secured, how do you get your money back if I default?
Well, sir, actually, all we need of your last 4 months bank statement.
That's not answering the question I just asked.
Yes, sir.
That's
Okay,
not answering the question I just asked. I asked a question, then you
Alright,
just
sir.
kept going with your script.
No, sir, I'm not going with my script.
Yes,
sir.
well,
I'm
that's
actually
why
going
I
with my
asked a
script.
question and you didn't answer it. I said, how are you going to get the money back if you don't secure the loan, if I default?
Sir, it's an unsecured loan because we are providing unsecured business loan because we are not taking any mortgage and personal guarantee.
I don't understand. How are you going to give a loan if how do you guarantee your money? What happens if I don't want to pay?
Sir, that's why I'm asking. Like, do you have any default history before?
No, I don't. But what if I want to this time? It's not secured, so why wouldn't I?
All right, just tell me how much you need for your business.
Like 300,000?
300,000. That's great. And how are you planning to use it for your business?
Well, cocaine and it doesn't really matter because what if I don't want to pay it back? What's going to happen?
Cocaine, but we don't give money for cocaine, sir.
Well, it's my own. No, I say cocaine and. But I'm saying, what if I don't want to pay it back after I'm done all the cocaine and?
I'm so sorry, sir, but you're not qualified.
I am
Only
qualified.
qualified
I'm
is-
saying I'm giving a hypothetical. I'm not saying that's what I'm using it for. I'm saying they're giving a hypothetical. Just saying that it doesn't matter what I'm using it for. I'm saying what happens if I don't pay it back? What happens if I
All
miss
right,
a
sir,
payment?
then
What
I
if
can
I
do-
miss a payment? What if I miss a payment?
Then I can only do one thing, to hang up on your face, nothing else. Thank you.
Hang up on my field. What? Why would you hang up on me and then call me right back? Another issue I have with this company is their lack of transparency. Without the ability to do your own due diligence, you are left to simply trusting people. Something I never suggest, unless it's your mother. Being an unregistered foreign company, how do I know that this doesn't go to terrorists or other criminal organizations? Other lenders will freely give information about their board of directors and other modus operandi. And most are registered with a securities commission somewhere. This Synergy is not. The fact that they are offering extremely low interest rates on unsecured loans is another red flag, one that I would not ignore.
Can I help you?
How can I help you?
Oh, you got a call from us?
Yes. What do you
Right,
want?
I'm sorry about that. So, yeah, I'm not gonna talk to you with that attitude. Thank
Well,
you.
then
Bye.
hang the up.
Hello.
Yes?
Good afternoon, miss. You're calling Synergy Financial. How may I help you?
Oh, Synergy Finance. You guys don't even exist.
Sorry.
You're not real.
We're the direct lender. Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
I'm a human, right?
well,
I'm
you're
not a
you're
robot.
a human, yeah, but you're not. You're not. Where are you registered?
Well, I'm calling from our marketing department from New York. If you want, you can check out our location.
Well, you're not.
Synergy Finance LLC. Just Google it.
Google it and what? Come up with your LinkedIn page?
Our website. Yeah.
Or your
Can check
your
out our
website that has
Synergy
doesn't
have
have any working
Come on, you're wasting my
information
time.
on it?
Academy.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Go on.
What do you want?
We are a funding company, ma'am. Our rep was trying to reach you to offer you business capital, let's say. So we're checking if you guys require any additional funding for your company, for equipment,
Well,
for paying.
I was wanting some from Synergy Finance, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can make a profile to ma'am, and you can have a look there, then take
Yeah,
a
but
decision. How about that?
I can't even verify if you're a real company or not. I don't know how to. I
So
can't
that's what
see you
I
anywhere.
was saying. Okay, that's what I was saying. Let's verify us. If we see we're a legit company, we'll do business together. If not, then you can simply deny it. Right. I can
Well,
send you more detail over to your email or fax. You can have a look there, and then you can take a decision. How about that?
can you send me some information on your company?
Yep, like the company details,
Yes. Yeah.
what we are, and what our products.
Yeah, like
Okay.
who your CEO is, and like that kind of stuff.
No. It's not work like that, ma'am. I'm
Why?
gonna send you an approval later, okay,
Why?
over the page, like there with the physical address
I
of our
don't trust
company.
a company that
Don't-
hides everything. You're hiding everything.
I'm not hiding anything, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm saying
everything
like
is
just Google
hidden.
it. Do you
Yeah.
have any? Do you
What's
have
your
any
APR? What's
devices?
your
Do you use
APR
any
rate?
devices? No, there is no APR. It's a flat fee. It's a simple amount of flat fee.
Simple flat fee. That's too good to be true. $700
Yeah.
on 10,000 for 3 years.
No, I can give an example. I can tell you everything about our loan program. Okay, just you have to give me some time. Okay.
That's like 2.3% APR.
No, ma'am.
What?
We're
So
gonna
what?
charging in traditional way.
$700
It will be
on 10,000 over 3 years.
okay. No, it's not work like that. Okay, let me explain it to you. It will be a flat fee which is pre-agreed and negotiable. Okay, it will be the same amount. The flat fee on like fluctuate. Okay, it will be the fixed amount. Okay, if you borrow, let's say if you borrow 10,000 from us. Okay, your total payback amount would be like 11,000. You have to pay us extra 1,000. It could be more. It could be less. It depends. It varies business to business. It depends on your cash flow. It depends on the industry you're in, the product you're selling, your FICO score, your credit score.
Yes. Yeah.
So okay. So I have to qualify your business first, then I can we can get back to the exact proposal, right? And after checking your proposal, if you like it, you can take it. If not, then you can simply deny it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean that
So
at that rate, that's a big red flag that it's a scam.
I'm giving you the same sense of
That's
right.
way too low. That's way too low. 3 year term at just $1,000 on
No.
10,000 over
That's
three
not like
years.
our terms would be like three months to 18 months. It's a short term loan program that you're offering, ma'am. Okay.
No. They just told
Maximum
me
in the
I was
best case
talking to
scenario you can
somebody
offer
else just
18 months.
before you, and they told me up to
Okay.
3 years. 3 years.
No, he's lying. He's lying.
Well,
I'm not.
everybody seems to
I
be
know.
lying because
I
I've
know
gotten other
what I'm
percentage for
telling.
APRs
Right.
before as well.
No, I'm not gonna lie to you. Right. I'm here doing a business. Right, ma'am.
Well, I can't even find anybody that has ever successfully taken a loan from you guys. I
They're
can't find
saying. I mean,
I
let me
can't
tell you.
find
Let me tell you.
anything about you. Everything that I can find about you is hidden. You don't have anything registered. You're not licensed anywhere. You don't have any kind of financial licenses.
Come on, we are the direct lenders. We
Yes,
fund our own money. We're not any
yes.
broker or
Oh,
any third
yes,
party, ma'am.
exactly.
Not
And
only
who's
me,
funding your
we're doing
money? Who's funding your money?
facility.
Listen, you're not based in the United States.
Okay. I would say go to traditional bank. Okay.
No. Listen. No, I'm trying to.
It works like that,
If
ma'am.
you're
Right. You're not
legitimate,
like.
if you're legitimate, you're gonna have this conversation with
Yes,
me.
you are
If you're
legit.
not legitimate, you'll hang up.
Yes.
Right? So
I'm not gonna hang up. Let's talk. Come on, let's talk.
well, I'm just trying to figure out, who you are. You're not everything
I'm
that
saying
you. Okay.
I work for Synergy Finance,
Yes,
which
okay.
is a direct lending
Synergy
bank.
Finance is, and it's not an American company.
How do you know?
I know this
It's
because
not American.
I've already researched into you quite a bit. It's a foreign held
Do
company. So where is it held from? Most likely Bangladesh. So is it your bosses
uh,
there that is bankrolling it? Do you have
no,
a
ma'am.
bank in
You
Bangladesh
just
that
like
is bankrolling it? Because I'm very curious who's the money man here. Because there's somebody somewhere that has a lot of money that's trying to loan it out. It's not a company in
okay.
the United States because you're registered
You
as
can
a
check on
foreign.
our website.
Yes, I've already looked at your incorporation records. You're registered as a foreign owned company and you're incorporated through incorporation services, so it's all anonymous. You have an agent that has been incorporated in New York and out of Wyoming.
Okay. And
So who's the money man? Usually it's a bank or somebody or an underwriter or
money man
something.
here.
Is there a private person over there that
That's
is
not
just
your
that's
concern, ma'am.
financing
Like,
it?
if you can get you something good, okay. If we can get you some better offer, ma'am, okay, you can go for it. If not, then you can simply deny it. You don't
But
have to worry about like where the money coming from.
well,
Okay.
I do worry about that.
Why? Because you're not paying them, you're paying us. Right.
Yes, but you know what? I'm going to give you all of my information first before I get any money from you.
Okay.
So how am I supposed to trust you with that information? You know it damn well what you can do with that information that I give. You know damn well,
Okay.
don't you?
That's what I'm
Don't you?
saying.
You know
ma'am.
damn well what you can do with the information that I give you on the application and on my bank statement.
Do you think like I'm gonna sell it, like something like that?
You can gain access to my
If
accounts.
I
You
if I
can go
get,
right into them.
let me tell you, ma'am, you have to listen, okay? If I sell you information, how much money do I can get? Okay, just tell me like how much
You could write. You could write
my
post.
company
You could cash post-dated checks in my account for the next
and
6
and
months.
no, ma'am,
Make
it's not
them
like
look. You
that.
can make them look like another payment. Something
So
because
that's what I'm
you're
saying.
already
Just
looking at
verify
all of
us.
my payments. You know exactly what kind of payments go through. So I wouldn't notice a couple of a few $100 payments that look like another payment.
The thing is why we need your paperwork, because we're not taking any collateral or personal guarantee. So our
No,
loan
you
for
just have
when
you
you're
just have
ready.
access, direct access to my bank account.
Obviously, we have to
Obviously.
send you the money, right?
No, that's not
It's
allowed. You're
completely
not
ACH
allowed to have
process.
access to my bank account. That's illegal.
It's completely ACH process. ACH process. Do you know what ACH process means?
Yes, I do, but that's not the same thing.
Yeah.
It's not the same thing.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your time. I guess
Well, no, no,
you're
no, no,
wasting my
no,
time
no.
here.
But you
No,
don't have
I'm
any
not gonna waste
information
my
for
time
me.
in left and
You're
right.
not going to
I
have
have
any
to work here.
information for me. You just have the script that you're told. Is that all? Do you have a number?
As you know, I've been baiting these guys with some doctored account statements. Never with any success, though. As you will see in this clip, these guys even have people on the inside with the banks.
Hello?
Yeah, hey, is it better now?
Yes, it is. It's a little better now.
All right, perfect. So you send me the statement, but it seems it's a personal statement. I need the business checking account statements.
That is the business one. It just has my name.
You sure about it?
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm sure.
Because it has, and it doesn't have all the pages in it. January only has like one page. Then on it moves to February and stuff. So I need all the pages.
I don't know what you mean.
February all pages. What? Repeat that again.
I don't know what you mean.
All the pages. Like you see, January. Should have like multiple pages, but because it shows like your deposit as 158,000.
Yeah.
So we need to check like what kind of deposits you made, and then what kind of subtractions, the withdrawals and everything. We need to check each and every transaction in itself. So I need all the pages.
It's all there.
It isn't actually. If you can check again.
Okay, so it says. Okay, you said you need the deposits and the withdrawals and stuff.
Yeah. Each and every pages. All the transactions. February
Yeah.
all pages. March all pages. April all pages.
Well,
each and every
how are
transaction.
you to say how many transactions I had?
Let's say I see. In January it has like 158,000 deposit, right?
Okay,
So
yes, okay,
we
January.
need to check
Okay,
each
January.
and every deposit.
Okay,
transaction.
January, yeah, the
It is-
deposits and they're right there. Can't you look at it and see? It's right there.
I do, but I need to
Look,
check all
it's-
the.
yes,
transactions.
Look, it's right here. There's 3
It's
transactions
right here,
in
but it
January.
doesn't
In January, listen.
let's say from whom you got the deposit from.
Listen, you moron. It says it right here. Is this your first day on your job? Is it?
I have been
Is it
in
your
this
first
industry
day?
for the last
It
8
must
years.
be 8 years.
8
Oh
years.
my goodness gracious! You are something else. Then it says right here. I
Okay.
have 3 deposits in. Okay, and in the summer it even says deposits and other additions. It says 395, and the total deposits and additions is 395. That broken down is three different deposits. One is from my one of my patents, which is 125,000. It was on the 28th of January. The 21st of January, another one of my patents came in. That was 75,000. On the 10th of January, another one came in for $195,000. That all totals up $395,000. Then that's the total deposits of January.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got you.
Then I have some withdrawals and subtractions right underneath.
Yeah, I
it.
see.
Then the next month,
Yeah, I see.
then
February,
three my patents come in again, and then I have more. Then I had to pay out to my engineering corp.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what you're talking
everything.
about. You're saying
No,
that
it's
not all here.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Don't worry about it. So it's under this name, right? I mean, 1 minute. Just, hold on with me for a quick brief check. Let me just open up the application. Lil Inventions LLC. It doesn't show the business name. It shows only your name because it's under your name,
Sorry,
right?
yes, the business is actually Linda Fairbanks. It's a number corp.
All right, and the DBA is Lil Inventions.
Is Lil Inventions,
That's it?
yes. Yeah.
All right, now we're talking. So you actually downloaded statements from Bank of America account, right?
Yes. I did a couple
All right,
of days ago.
because understood. Because this is the first time. I actually worked with. I was an intern at Bank of America actually, just before I joined Synergy, and this is the first time I'm actually seeing such a statement. Because once we see this statement, we can actually verify if it's valid or not. So I have to check and put that in system because some things are not adding up. But I'm gonna check, and I'm gonna come back with the approvals. All right.
Yes, of course, yeah.
All right. Sure. Then. Thank you so much. Take
All
care.
right.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Bye.
This guy did not take the bait here either. Seeing this document didn't work, I do not think that they are harvesting account access information. What is most likely happening is this company is simply doing robocalls and taking applications. Upon validating and assessing, they sell the application to a lender they have contacts for. This allows the US-based lender to avoid the class action lawsuits that have been arising from similar campaigns, like this one that was put against iVest 360. Despite the lack of evidence of fraud, I'm going to give this particular Synergy Finance a D- with a strong avoidance warning due to their aggressive calling and lack of transparency. I strongly suggest everyone always do their due diligence before giving out personal or business information. The amount of red flags on this one make it look like a Chinese Communist Party convention. So I would recommend finding a more recognizable lender if you require the capital. If you or anyone you know have been outright scammed by this Synergy Finance, please reach out to me at the email provided on my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next one, Boda out.
I've been scambaited by Boda.